Welcome back everyone, happy new year and all that jazz. I'm just at the deer farm. I'm going around the hives today and I've got a little pokey tool that I've made to poke around doorways to make sure no doorways are blocked up with dead bees and things. That's all I'm doing today. I don't need to check their foods. We've had a little bit of a frost over here in England with some apparently snow on the way, so yeah, I doubt whether any of the bees are flying. Say it's still a bit frosty, it's just starting to thaw out, rain and frost. So yeah, I'm just going to poke around the doors a bit and my little tool that I got, because my entrances go in and then the bees go up, so this whole thing here just make sure they're cleared out like that. And we brought a weight up, stick on that. Yeah, that one's clear. That one's clear. It's just, you know, just make sure this one will be clear. Yeah, that one's clear. There's a dead one, like you see. Let's see where they're going in there. Oh no, this end. Yeah, that one's clear. Because I've got underfloor entrances, so the you'll see with the screws, look, the bees can come in all the way into here before they go up into the hive, and they go up into the hive about here. I do like them, but obviously you can't see. It's a bit tight. What's going on there? There it is. It's not going all the way in, that one. It's just bent this end. So it's fit. Shouldn't be got it. This one's not so bad. It's got a mouse guard, you see. That was a thinner one. That's up in there. Bit of mouse poo there, you see. The old mouses try and get in the houses. That was clear. So that's all I'm doing. That's all I've done. No bees have come out. I'm not opening no boxes because of how cold it is. I need to get one of them thermo things like DC's got, where you just point it at the hive and you can see the heat spots. That's what I need to do. Because it's worrying, you know, this time of year it's always worrying. You can't see what your bees are, whether they're in a cluster, if there's any heat, you know, whether there's a bee. You use one of them things like on DC's videos, you'll see a heat cluster of, say, like the bees here or wherever. That's what I need. We need to up our tech a bit. But yeah, we've got the other farm now, do the same. That's all done up here. I'll come back when I'm up the other farm. So I'm up the other farm now. I'll come up, not yesterday, the day before, I think it was, and picked up that old mower, that old web mower, that classic retro looking mower, and I sold that. I was, you know, I did want to really, I wanted to do that up and use it, but yeah, different things. So that's gone. But I come up in this, and oh boy was it shitty round there. We got round obviously, but yeah. So I'm just going to go down the track to the pile of rubble in the middle and walk down to the bees, unless he's decked out that pile, but I doubt it because it's too sloppy, you know. When I worked up here, we didn't do much work this side of the farm, like throughout most of winter, because you can't really. It's too slop, like that. Look, I wouldn't get along there now in my Panda. I probably would, but I don't want to, you know. The aim is to clean it up and sell it, not dirt it up and abuse it. Yeah, we'll go down the track. Yeah. I did think about a bit of metal detecting today, but it's a bit chilly, a bit too chilly. Although it's a nice day for it, it's very wet and very chilly. So another day we'll do a bit of that. Just make sure these bees can get in and out of their houses if they need to. Not that they'll need to. They've all got food. So everything will be good. The old car's making, since me and Owen went through that water, we got a lot of water, like obviously it was very deep, it was up above the wheels, it was like up the doors job in Corby, and since then I've got a noisy noise, you can hear it like whirr. I think it's just crap and stuff gets in the alternator on these, although the clutch, you see the clutch on them is it's got two big opens on it, obviously to let water drain in and through, but when stuff gets sucked in there, you get like the water sucks in and rushes into it, it'll pull like grass and leaves and shit like that in there. So it could be that. What I did last time was you just run it and just bang loads of oil and like electrical cleaner through the alternator, and it stops. It'll stop eventually over time anyway, but oh yeah, it's deep there. Oh yeah. Yeah, bit wary now, a bit concerned like, because I'm obviously I want to sell the Panda and I want to sell the caddy van and I want to get a pickup truck, right? But Toyota Hilux is what I want. Right, I've always fancied one. I like them. And obviously their reputation, they're reliable and everything, bomb proof, you know. They got a good reputation for a pickup. The only thing is now, they're like the most stolen pickup in the UK. Literally. I was reading the post earlier, some guy brought one over from Ireland. He was only over here for fucking Christmas. And the day he come over, that night, it was stolen. And they, you know, they broke into the house to get the keys and stuff. And like, I was thinking perhaps it's just a certain year that they're stealing. But it ain't. They're stealing every single, you know, any year or any model or anything. They're just stealing them. My guess is they're all going back abroad, like places like Ukraine and places like that. That's what I reckon. They're getting stolen, stripped, shipped aboard, and then put back together where it's untraceable, like. So it's put me off a bit now. Whether like what pickup to get, or we'll do it. I don't know. You know, you can't have fuck all nowadays in this world. There's always some scummy little arsehole wants to steal it. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I'll come back when I'm down there with the bees. Right, so I'm down at the bottom apiary. These ones, I can see all them in the doorway, so we're not going to poke at them. We just need to put this in and just flick it around a little. That's clear. That's clear. That's clear. That's clear. That one's clear. That's all we've got to do. Oh, wind blew that one a little bit, look. That's clear. That's clear. That's clear. Oh look, we had a bit of a tree come down in all that storm there, look. So they've all got food, so I'd have thought they'll all be upstairs. But you never know with bees. Yeah, these ones are alright, look. See with these doorways whether they're blocked. No, everything's good. Everything's good in the bee hood.